Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to bring you another low-carb CrossFit recipe. This one is spiced beef with avocado salsa. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some butter to our pan. Next, we're going to add some diced green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. This is one whole medium-sized green and yellow bell pepper diced. Now that I've let my bell pepper saute for a little bit, now it's time to add the ground beef. I will season with some Savory Seasoning, some smoked paprika, some ground cumin, and some Creole seasoning. So now that we have our ground beef all cooked up, it's now time to move on to the salsa. Now on to the second half of this plate, and that's putting together the salsa. So in a bowl, I have diced red onions. I've chopped up some tomatoes. I have some cilantro, and I'm going to dice up this avocado. Now that I have my avocado, I'm going to add in the tomato and the cilantro. Next, I will be adding some greens to my plate. I have here some mixed greens and some baby arugula. I forgot I need to add in the lime, some lime juice. All right, so I have the lime in there. Now to finish plating this up. Now I'm going to add in my hamburger meat. I'm going to top some off with my salsa. I'm adding a little bit of sour cream to the top. And I'm going to garnish with some scallions. That's what that's looking like, everyone. That's what I have so far. And I'm going to also top it with my salad dressing. This is by Marzetti. This has less than 1 gram of sugar per serving. There you have it, everyone. That's the meal. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Try this dish out. I will be leaving the information regarding this meal in the description area below. And let me know what you think of it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye now.